Have you ever wondered how to change the square image aspect ratio Midjourney generates? In this quick tutorial video, I'll share exactly how to do this. And I'll share a bonus tip of how to find the aspect ratio of any image you find. By default, Midjourney will always generate a square image, unless you add this parameter to the end of your prompt, --AR, and then the aspect ratio you would like your image to be. Be sure to have a space before your first dash and after the R, where you will add your ratio with a colon. Press enter and Midjourney generates an image in that aspect ratio. In this example, I chose a 3:4 ratio, but this could be any ratio you like. Here are some examples of the most common ones. Now for the bonus tip. If you're curious what exact ratio an image is, use the describe prompt. In Midjourney, type out /describe, drag and drop your image, then submit the prompt, and Midjourney will describe how the image looks visually, as well as give you the exact aspect ratio. You'll notice a lot of these can be odd random numbers, like this one. If you're looking for more videos about Midjourney, check out this one next, where I share 20 different illustration art styles to try out in Midjourney, with prompts included.